the sea. There's a town with history, wild and free, built on salt and wind and a settler's dream. Port Albert's where the skies meet the stream. Ships rode in with hopes held high, to chase the gold where the mountains lie. Through marsh and mist they made their way. Port Albert grew a little every day. Oh, Port Albert, where the ocean sings, where the wind on the water has a tale to bring. From the winter's boats to the miner's gold, your spirit shines through the days of old. Oh, Port Albert, you're a treasure untold. In the heart of the waves, your stories unfold. The customs house stood tall and proud, where the tides of trade moved in and out, pulling grain from the countryside, sent across the sea on a restless tide. The streets were filled with the settlers' grave, hands at work till the lamps were lit, with a pint in hand at the end of the day. They'd sing their songs of the Gippsland way. Oh, Port Albert, where the ocean sings, where the wind on the water has a tale to bring. From the winter's boats to the miner's gold, your spirit shines through the days of old. Oh, Port Albert, you're a treasure untold. In the heart of the waves, your stories unfold. In the heart of the waves, your stories unfold. Shadows of the past we stand today, with the same sun above and the same salty spray. From the gold rush rushing through the rugged land, to the quiet now where we still take a stand. The fishers still cast out their lines, where the old docks meet the rising tides. But the echoes of the days long past still call to us with a voice that lasts. So raise a glass to the pioneers who braved the storm and fought their fears. In the heart of Port Albert, their spirit stays through the winds of time across the bays. Oh, Port Albert, where the ocean sings, where the wind on the water has a tale to bring. From the winter's boats to the miner's gold, your spirit shines through the days of old. Oh, Port Albert, you're a treasure untold. In the heart of the waves, your stories unfold. Oh, Port Albert, on the water wide, where the past and present drift with the tide. You're a place where dreams and history meet. In the Gippsland sun we find our feet.